Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the essentials so execution is fast and measurable. Identify your ICP and high-value accounts, then map out 1-3 clear goals like MQLs or pipeline dollars. Once done, assemble landing pages, 2 creative variants, and ensure your tracking pixels and CRM fields are ready so you capture source data. Make sure budgets and pacing are set. This prevents wasted spend. Now you're ready to launch the first test cohort with clear success criteria and baseline metrics to compare against. You now configure audiences and creative tests with precision. Create intent and account-based segments, add lookalikes, and apply exclusion lists to avoid overlap. Then upload 3 creative variations, headline, CTA, and image or short video, and schedule a /B rotations so you gather comparative data fast. Next, set bids, budget pacing, and frequency caps to control reach and cost per action. As you run, monitor conversion windows and early signal metrics, so you can reallocate budget to winning segments and creatives. You finish by scaling and tightening the funnel. Promote winning creatives and audiences by increasing spend 20 to 30% weekly while expanding lookalikes and account lists. Make sure sales is aligned with lead scoring and SLAs so pipeline converts. Review cadences and capture feedback for creative iteration. If performance drops, check tracking and attribution first, then inspect creative fatigue and audience overlap. These issues account for most failures. Finally, adjust bids, pause poor variants, and document changes so you maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.